class 2. How are you all? Children, yesterday we studied singular and plural, and today we are going to start a new chapter of your English language book, that is pronouns. Lesson number 5. So take out your books, children, and we will start the chapter. Okay? Let's start. Children, you have to take out page number 20. Lesson number 5, pronouns. What you will do, you will write the date and the day on the left side of the page. Now let us see what is the definition of a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun. I repeat, a pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Now let us see a sentence. Sunil is a policeman. Sunil wears a uniform. Sunil is a policeman. He wears a uniform. Now what we have done? We have replaced the word Sunil in the second sentence with the pronoun he. Now the sentence is like this. Sunil is a policeman. He wears a uniform. So he is a pronoun which is used in the place of a naming word known as Sunil. Have you understood what is a pronoun? It is a word that is used in the place of a noun. Okay. Now let us start with the book exercise A. What is the question? Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Can you see a box here? In the box, what is written? Some pronouns are given. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Now what we have to do? We have to fill in the blanks in these sentences. Let's start with sentence 1. Charu, Alam and I were telling jokes. Dash laughed a lot. Charu, Alam and I. They are plural nouns. Okay, so what we will use? We will use the pronoun we instead of Charu, Alam and I. I'll repeat the sentence. Charu, Alam and I were telling jokes. We laughed a lot. Now second one. Dash was late to class. The teacher gave me a lot of homework. What is the answer? I was late to class. The teacher gave me a lot of homework. Third one is, it is past your bedtime. Dash should sleep early. We will use the pronoun you. It is past your bedtime. You should sleep early. Fourth one. Anu has brown eyes. Dash also has curly hair. Now here children, Anu is a girl. So for a girl, we use the pronoun she. Anu has brown eyes. She also has curly hair. Fifth one. Salman drives a car. Dash drives dash very fast. Now here children, you have to fill two pronouns. The first one is for a boy, that is Salman. For boys, we write he. And for car, that is a non-living thing, we use it. So what will be the answer? Salman drives a car. He drives it very fast. Sixth one. Karan and Venkat are taller than Summer. Dash is shorter than them. Now in this, three boys are there. Karan, Venkat and Summer. Who is the shortest? Summer. Yes. So, Summer is a boy. We will use which pronoun? He. He is shorter than them. Seventh one. Grandpa is looking for Kavya and Kanav. Where are dash? Grandpa is looking for two children, Kavya and Kanav. Where are they? And the last one is, this is Joy's book. He bought dash last week. What did he buy last week? A book. So for book, it is a non-living thing. Which pronoun we will use? We will use it. He bought it last week. Have you understood all this exercise? And have you understood pronouns? Very good. So homework for you today is that you will read lesson 5, this chapter, and you will revise the exercise. Okay children? See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.